Turn off auto capitalization or auto cap on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google documents. I have already opened. Okay, so now what you need to do, if I tap something, you can see the first capital is auto cap. So we can manage it. We can turn off these features that you can easily write in small letter. What you need to do, just go to the tools option. We need to go in preference. Under the preference, in general option, we have the few option, and first option you can see the automatic capitalized word. So you need to just turn off it and okay. Now if write something, the auto capitalization will be not applied to your documents. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.